So guys, it's Tuesday, it's 6:30 a.m. in the morning, so I'm just trying to make an analysis on the charts this morning before I get ready for my day. And I actually saw something on GU and EU, so it's like a continuation trade. So I'm just gonna show you guys the trade and probably start my day. So this is my outlook on GU. So I'm only trading GU and EU. So on GU right now, I'm only created a high. We haven't come into like a area of interest for supply to pull back, but right now, I'm only created high. I expect Tuesday to pull back into a area of interest, and we can see a break of structure on the daily. We just have to go down to the 4 hours time frame to okay, we have this POI here, we have this POI here, and the fair value gap, as you can see, fair value gap. Remember, we can actually take a continuation trade from a fair value gap, but I still price to come to a POI. Then we'll have this Monday's low. Then when Tuesday touched a Monday low into a POI, so I expect to see a change in state of do back to buy to this high, Monday's high. So we go to the 2 hour time frame. Okay, it looks clean. We find it down the 1 hour time frame. We can send hidden block here. So price could actually buy from this place also. But I expect price to take out this Monday's low as a liquidity. Monday's low, then target this Monday's high back. So you can either buy from here, then Well, one thing you must understand is I don't take trade from a POI. POI is like an area of interest. So I wait for a confirmation. Probably price give me key time confirmation in London section or the New York section. But any of these POIs are potential buy to this Monday's high. But one thing that interests me more is Monday's low needs to be to soup into a POI. Then I know, okay, good, we are good to buy to this high. So that's what I'm waiting for on this trade. If you can see clearly. So this is all I'm waiting for on this trade. So it's Tuesday, like I said this morning. I've not done anything, basically anything, but I've been studying, and I'll show you guys what I've been studying. And also for the GU trade, I was waiting for price actually at like a POI, but I've not gotten like a confirmation to enter the trade. I'll probably just show you guys what is happening on the trade. I'll take you guys to my decks. My decks is actually here, so I'll just show you guys what's going on the trade. Okay, just let me say it up. So right now we are in the New York section, and price at this hidden block, and we have this 4 hour POI. So price at this hidden block, and nothing has happened. Price took out the Monday low, but that hasn't given us anything. It took out the Monday low, but didn't get to any area of interest, so that's invalid. So I just have to wait for confirmation. But since the New York section has already begun and it's past like my key time, so I'm not going to take any entry on this place. Probably just wait for price to get to this level and wait for confirmation, or price get to this level, I'll wait for confirmation. So that's what I'm actually waiting for. If not, I'm not going to take any trade. So I've been studying more about my CRT, even though I got done, but it's kind of messed up here, bro. I've been studying CRT, trying to reverse everything again, over and over again. You see why I always give myself assignment and further notes on market structure, going over the trades again, studying, trying to understand more about. So that's what I'm doing throughout today, not much. So if I don't get an entry into the market today, no problem. I'll probably wait for tomorrow and see what the market does. And today, just gonna study. That's all. So it's a new day, and I got a trade on AUD card, which I'm not supposed to take. Well, I didn't tell my trading partner, but I'm going to tell him today. And today is Eid Mubarak, and happy Eid Mubarak to all my Muslim friends out there. And if you're my subscriber and you're a Muslim, I want to say happy Eid Mubarak. I know you're going to be celebrating today. Um, Today is actually Wednesday, and probably is a holiday because the market is not going to move in too much, but the market is still open. So I saw a trade on EUD card. It was a nice one, but I got stopped out with a week. I journaled it already, and it was crazy. Probably I'll show you guys through it. Just hold on. Okay, let's see. Okay, probably this is the trade. Let me show you like this. Okay, yeah, that's clear enough. Let me show you what I saw. Why IT mystery. Okay, this is the thing here. You can see my notion already, like for the year. First, we had this. Or should I just okay? So, okay, this is the reason why I took the trade on the daily time frame. Let me take this out. It was a good charity trade though. So Monday is it Monday? Yeah, Monday created the range. Tuesday taught the soup. Wednesday came to do the accumulation, but something happened when I entered the trade. Price took out this. My SL was too close. So price took it out and I got stopped out and it started moving in my direction, which is crazy. She could have given me like 1:4 RR. But look at what happened. You seen it? We had the CISD. This is where price took me out. If I could zoom into it. Just hold on, let it load up. Okay, this is it. My SL was so close, so that was the reason why. Yeah, that was the reason why. But it was a good trade. It's gonna run to take profit. But it was a good trade. I had the 1 hour, see, 1 hour entry give a CISD. So the 30 minutes actually give a CISD, but I was not early into the trade. Look at 30 minutes here. So, well, price should have, well, could have even taken it out, but the late too weak. Well, boom. Going straight to TP. It's a good trade. You have to just wait for Monday. Tuesday does the manipulation, then that's it. Not too much stuff for today. Today we're just gonna be chilled. We're just gonna be chilled today. We're just gonna be chilled today. Not doing too much. Probably hit the gym. Show you guys to the gym, and that's it for today. And probably read my Bible and read my book, because I'm still reading the book called Psychology of Wealth. Not really doing too much for today, though. Not too much. Well, and also study to show yourself approved. That was it, guys. Let's go.
I did it. I eat anything.
But it's possible not to just eat anything and still grow.
Yeah, it's possible.
What
I
these guys
eat
on?
anything.
These guys are. When was the last time you had like a down moment? Like mentally, when you had like a down moment mentally? Like not sickness or anything like.
I think last year.
last year? What happened? Was it a heartbreak?
Eh?
Was it a heartbreak?
Mm,
What was it?
family issue.
Family. No, that's crazy. Did they stay in Lagos?
Eh?
So today's Thursday, and before yesterday ended, I took a trade during the New York section, and it ended up being a loss. I wasn't that mad, but something I could have taken note of before taking that trade. I didn't actually pay attention because I didn't check the trade well, but I followed through with my bruise and my age, everything. But it turned out to be a loss. And this month has been crazy. I checked my PNL for the month and it was crazy. Losing all through without having like a great profit was crazy. And that trade was GU. I'll probably just show you guys what I saw in the trade and why I took the trade. And this morning I found out that I should have actually checked the weekly because the weekly did something. Weekly took one side of the range. That was last week range. Last week created a range and this week took out a primary driven liquidity of the range and probably price will go to the secondary driven liquidity. And on a daily it already created like CIS daily CIS. So I'll probably just show you guys what I saw. So this was what happened. If you can see it, like so this was what happened. Why I took the trade. As you can see, I was on GDP long, GPUSD long, Wednesday low sweep CISD CRT like loss 0.5% was why I risked on the trade. And on the daily time frame, we had like price coming to a daily OB. Then Tuesday created a range, like it was an inside bar, and when you thought to soup the Tuesday primary on liquidity. So I expected the price to go to like the secondary on liquidity. In the 1 hour time frame, price created the CISD, and which was a year was the CISD. Well, price ended up taking us out. And the reason was because price structure was still bearish. So I would say why I lost on the weekly price was bearish. They already took out the one hand of the range, that is primary on liquidity. Probably I could show you guys. This is what we are seeing right now on GPUSD. You can see price took out one end of the range. Then we expected price to like come into this. The reason why I took a trade because price was already inside. So I expected I thought it was gonna buy. But I think price is still coming to take this out. Probably come for the body of the candle. So probably that's it. So that's why. But right now I'm actually waiting for price to do something. Then I'll take this trade down to this end here. So that's what happened. Why I took a loss on that trade. So today, probably refine it and see where I can get an entry because I'm already seeing something on GU again. Because I didn't check it out well yesterday. And probably if I could take a trade today, fine. If I don't, probably next month I'll take a trade because it's already end of the month already. Then also show you guys my panel for the month. I want to be transparent enough for my journey. Show you guys how I've been going through every process. It was a bad month. Bad month. I'm actually down, but not on drawdown. So I'll show you guys everything. Probably after I get to shave. I'm not doing too much today. I'm just gonna shave, and probably like tomorrow, this video is gonna be out because it's a week in the life. So that's it. I didn't do too much this week. I didn't go out. I was locked in, trying to like grow and know. And probably after this video, I'm just gonna read my Bible, and also read the book. So after that, I'll show you guys what I'm trying to get. If I don't get him, probably I won't trade anymore. But show you guys my piano and that's it. That was all for today. So I'm about to shave. Like I couldn't shave in the bedroom, but so I'm going
Just going to like use the mirror in my color to like shave.
it looks like side looks clean right now. So probably just blend everything together, and I'm done. And add some number. Now, I'm actually considering like taking off the mustache, or probably just let it be like this, or probably just reduce it to like minimum level. But what do you guys think? Probably, oh, I'm done. I'm done. Probably just wash it off and clean. So probably this will be the last clip I'm putting out there, and probably on my next video, I really want to do some videos that will actually make people solve certain problems. Probably tell beginners what to like watch out for, what to like do, steps to take to like start up their forex journey. Probably that will be my next video. So my forex journey right now, I would say to an extent I've grown. I see the market probably clearly, probably see my problems clearly, and that's what I'm grateful for. So right now I'm actually at the airport. I came down with my guy to like see sister at the airport. She came from like UK or something. So I'm actually gonna like grow more at the end of the day, grow more, remain focused in the journey, and make sure I get everything right. And remember, you are absolutely responsible for the outcome of your life. So everything I'm doing right now, I'm trying to like make sure I put in 100%. Even days that I feel weak, to like journal or probably shoot, I just tell myself I just need to do it. At the end of the day, in as much it doesn't take anything from me, probably just at least it doesn't take my energy, but I just need to like make sure I put in the work. So guys, catch you on my next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.